Hey, I'm Rob Kline, Product Marketing Manager for Traceability with Balluff, and I'm here today to tell you a little bit about our traceability demo. We've got some new exciting products on here, and so I wanted to share that with you. So when you think of Balluff, you probably think about RFID when you think of traceability, and we definitely have that on the demo. So we have our UHF head in the back here, connected to our BISV processor, and of course that's able to read multi-tags, be able to read all these tags at once. And then these tags, you can see we added barcode reader onto those, and that's what we're really excited to show today is this new BVS Ident barcode reader. And so what we're showing here is a new all-in-one reader. It's got red light, infrared, or white light options, liquid lens to focus from 60 millimeters out to 600 millimeters. And we're running the HALCON algorithms in this. So what that means is we can read these 1D codes. You see we got a 2D code down here. We can read at angles, damage code, all that with the HALCON algorithm. Now, what's really exciting about this though is you can see when we get to the back of this reader, we've got a couple of cables coming off the back. So we've got our Ethernet cable, and that's probably what people are used to seeing on a barcode reader. We've got that hooked up to the laptop so you can see what the reader sees. But what's the world's first is we've also got this connected with just your standard 4-pin M12 cable, and that's connected I/O link. So now when you connect up your barcode readers, you connect them just like you would a sensor. You don't need to be a vision expert to set this thing up. And all we need to do for this demo is we're gonna hit our teach button. It does all the setting parameters for the lighting, for the focus, and reads these codes. And what happens, these codes get read, the data gets passed into this RFID reader, again, over I/O link back to our processor, so it's just this 4-pin cable. That data gets transferred to this tag, comes down to here, and then it's read back again by our USB reader, verifies that we've got the right code, and sends that data back to the PLC to know that we have the right product in the right place. So again, to sum this thing up, barcode reading is easy this day and age, so you really shouldn't have to be a vision expert or go to a vision company to read a barcode. It's a sensor application, it connects with a sensor cable, and we price the thing appropriately along those lines. So you save money on your implementation, on your wiring, and on the hardware itself, and you don't need a vision expert to install it. So if you want to learn more, we'd love to hear from you. Reach out to us at balluff.com.